So you're getting ready to do a mortgage, maybe a car loan, and you know they're going to be pulling your credit. Well, make sure you follow these steps before you get your credit pulled. You'll thank me for doing this. My name's Miles Pitcher. I'm the owner of Superior Lending. And what I'm talking about today is opting out. It's called OptOutPrescreen. And what it does is it prevents a whole bunch of telemarketers, mailers coming to you after you get your credit pulled. So let me walk you through this. So when you get your credit pulled, these companies, Equifax, Experian, Innovis, and TransUnion, can take your information and sell it out. In fact, I have bought information from these bureaus and send out mailers to people. In fact, I did one a month ago, and we mailed out 2,500, and here's the stack of returned mail that came back to me. We call these trigger leads. And when I was doing it, I was looking for people who had good credit scores, and that data was available. Who did not have a mortgage on their credit, that was available. And that we knew that they had applied with a mortgage company. And so I've been sending out these mailers to them. You will get bombarded with phone calls and mailers if you don't do this first. So you go to optoutprescreen.com, and I'll make this bigger so that you can see the whole thing. And from the homepage, you scroll down and click here to opt in or opt out. From this page, this is info you're gonna have to put in: name, address, social security number, date of birth. Okay. I'm not sure why anybody would opt in, but that's an option that you can do. I'm going to recommend you start out with electronic opt-out for 5 years. This is the quickest way to get opted out, and it's the simplest way you can do it online immediately. And it takes 5 business days for it to process and go into place. So if you have the time and ability to do this before your credit is pulled by 5 business days, please get it done. Do that first. And then once that's done, then you can do the permanent opt-out by mail. And this one requires a form to be printed out. It requires it to be signed and then mailed in. With that, it's a permanent lifetime opt-out of these trigger leads. Okay. So just remember, optoutprescreen.com, and then it'll get you off those lists and help stop the trigger leads. Now, you may do this, and if you get it done in time, it'll reduce it. Will it be perfect in stopping some of this? We still have had clients who have had calls and still have had people reaching out to them. Maybe that's based off something that you did just previously, but boy, it sure helps reduce down the number of people who are calling to you. I know we all would like to have fewer telemarketing calls. So get that done. If you need any help or questions on that, please let me know. My name's Miles Pitcher. I own Superior Lending. This is how you can get a hold of me. We love helping our clients get quotes, being a second opinion for them. If you ever think that your fees are too high or that you're not sure about the rate you're getting, reach out to us. We'll let you know if you're getting a good deal or not. We're always happy to help with that. Have a good one. I hope this helps you.